This is Lesson 19 in the Mr. Circuit STEM Coloring Activity Book. In this lesson, we introduce the continuity tester circuit. It is an electronic circuit that checks for continuity. It can be used to check light bulbs, fuses, switches, wires, and electrical connections of all types. The schematic diagram for the continuity tester circuit is shown in the lower right-hand side of the page. It has some of the schematic symbols that you were taught in earlier lessons of this STEM activity book. You may remember from Lesson 11 that a 555 timer IC can be used to generate pulses. This circuit was designed by engineers using the 555 timer IC to make a sound when there is continuity in a circuit under test. To test for continuity, you use the probes shown in the upper left side of the schematic diagram. To test a fuse, touch a probe to each end of the fuse, and if it makes a sound, the fuse is good because it has continuity. On page 19, you see the artist shows the Mr. Circuit robot holding a stethoscope to test for a heartbeat. A stethoscope is a tester. The continuity tester makes sure that electrons can flow in a circuit. At the bottom of the page, what does Mr. Circuit say? Mr. Circuit says, here is a continuity tester circuit using 4 resistors, a 555 timer IC, an NPN transistor, a capacitor, and a speaker. Please put a circle around the schematic symbol of each of the resistors on the schematic diagram at the bottom right hand of the page. Here are some important things that you were taught in this lesson. 1. What components are used to make this continuity tester circuit? 2. That this continuity tester circuit uses a 555 timer IC to make a tone when there is continuity. And number 3, how to spell and pronounce continuity tester circuit. To finish this lesson, please color in the Mr. Circuit robot on page 19. Now remember, when you complete this STEM technology book, you will receive a certificate of completion.